night is quiet now. I've walked through shadows, lost my way, felt the weight of yesterday. All the tears I tried to hide made me stronger inside. I hear whispers of hope in the dark, a little light from my heavy heart. Every scar tells me I survived, every pain reminds me I'm alive. I no go run from the truth, even when it hurt my youth. I did learn to breathe again, even when the storm don't bend. After the rain, the sun goes shine. After the pain, my heart go find. Every tear not lesson, every loss not sign. After the rain, I go find my light. After the storm, I go stand tall. Even when I stumble, I go not fall. Let it heal, let it rise. After the rain, after the rain, I know they chase the past again. I did focus on my own lane. Every doubt I did leave on behind. Every fear I no go mine. I go take my time, I go man. No rush, no need to pretend. Life not journey, not a race. I go find my peace, I go find my place. I no go run from the truth, even when it hurt my youth. I did learn to breathe again, even when the storm don't bend. After the rain, the sun go shine. After the pain, my heart go find. Every tear not last, every loss not shine. After the rain, I go find my light. After the storm, I go stand tall. Even when I stumble, I go not fall. Let it heal, let it rise. After the rain, after the rain. Even when night and long, even when the road is rough, I go hold strong. I go hold faith in now. After the rain, heart is free. After the song, I can see every scar not story, every fall not key. After the rain, I go find